everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. I am so excited to share this video with you all because Dollar Tree has a lot of spring collection and also gardening tools and a lot of gift ideas to make the gifts with the Dollar Tree products. They also displayed so many gift ideas in the Dollar Tree shop. So let's get into the video and see what is there. There are so many different colors of flowers are available in this season and also lot of collection for the Valentine's balloons and greetings. So many decoration for the Valentine Day. There are different type of gift boxes, beautiful gift boxes in this shape of mailbox. There is so much craft collection in this area. Artificial leaves and pearls and these wreath shaped wires. So much of ribbon. Look at these small vases, they are so beautiful. And small succulents for $1 is very reasonable price. Look at these small jars with the shells, seashells, and also packets for the shells. So let's come to the very interesting part of build your gift with the Dollar Tree products. They already have a separate section for these items. So let's get into the one of them one by one. So this basket has a lot of mechanical tools and this is for the kids for with some toys and books for different baskets with the different toys and also mugs with the chocolates. So many different ideas. Teddy bear with the chocolates. So this way, these are the few ideas they have displayed it here. Everything is unique and everything is looking very beautiful with lot of greeting cards and balloons and chocolates. They are very great ideas to give it for any friends or family friends or relatives, anybody. Since spring season is starting, there is so much collection for the garden stuff. These beautiful stone decorative stones and scissors, a lot of different items that can be useful for our gardening is available. So many pots in different sizes and shapes. From small size to big medium size pots are available for the planting. I even found these golden shaped hooks over the door hooks. They look so beautiful. And also these fabric baskets are also available at this time in this Dollar Tree. Coming to these baskets and organizers, I found these two attractive colors here. These are regular magazine holders or look at this small shelf with the two doors. It is in three colors, black and we can use these mugs for gifting purpose by keeping some chocolates here. These are the new containers with lid and design for the glass containers. These are the clear cups I found here. In this section I found these zipper bags with the different colors. We can use it for different purposes for while traveling or keeping the color pencils and separating all these things. After 3 to 4 days I went to Dollar Tree again and I found these really beautiful color baskets. The colors are very beautiful. So these are the items I purchased from Dollar Tree. These are the gardening stuff I found and I purchased them, and also few decorative pieces and these baskets. I found these plastic scoops from Dollar Tree, so I purchased them, and sometimes they are very helpful. I kept it in my all purpose floor, so it is easy to grab from the big bin. So these are the fabric bins that can be expandable in this way, and it can store lot of things, and really good product from Dollar Tree. Very rarely we get these products. These are the small beautiful vases from Dollar Tree, and by using all of them I have decorated this small shelf. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.